Hi friends, I am Krunal Ramanuj. I heartily welcome you all at GS World Inside YouTube channel. Today we are discussed on Chief Minister of various states and UTs in the form of MCQ. First question is, who is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? A. Sri Pema Khandu. B. Miss Atisi Marlena. C. Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu. D. Sri Siddharamaiah. Correct answer is Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu. Who is the Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh? A. Sri Pema Khandu. B. Sri Vishnu Deo Sai. C. Sri Nayab Singh Saini. D. Sri Mohan Yadav. Correct answer is Sri Pema Khandu. Sri Himanta Biswa Sarma is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Haryana. B. Chhattisgarh. C. Assam. D. Sikkim. Correct answer is Assam. Sri Nitish Kumar is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Bihar. B. Telangana. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Sikkim. Correct answer is Bihar. Sri Vishnu Deo Sai is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Karnataka. B. Gujarat. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Sikkim. Correct answer is Chhattisgarh. Miss Atisi Marlena is the Chief Minister of which state or UT? A. Delhi NCT. B. Uttarakhand. C. Tripura. D. Meghalaya. Correct answer is Delhi NCT. Sri Pramod Sawant is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Uttarakhand. B. Goa. C. Nagaland. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is Goa. Sri Bhupendra Patel is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Maharashtra. B. Gujarat. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is Gujarat. Sri Nayab Singh Saini is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Maharashtra. B. Haryana. C. Punjab. D. Goa. Correct answer is Haryana. Who is the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh? A. Sri Biren Singh. B. Sri M.K. Stalin. C. Dr. Manik Saha. D. Sri Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu. Correct answer is Sri Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu. Who is the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir UT? A. M.K. Stalin. B. Sri Omar Abdullah. C. Dr. Manik Saha. D. Sri Pema Khandu. Correct answer is Sri Omar Abdullah. Who is the Chief Minister of Jharkhand State? A. Sri Hemant Soren. B. Sri Siddharamaiah. C. Sri Eknath Shinde. D. Sri P.U. Laldu Homa. Correct answer is Sri Hemant Soren. Who is the Chief Minister of Karnataka State? A. Sri M.K. Stalin. B. Sri Siddharamaiah. C. Sri Eknath Shinde. D. Sri Nephew Rio. Correct answer is Sri Siddharamaiah. Who is the Chief Minister of Kerala State? A. Sri M.K. Stalin. B. Dr. Manik Saha. C. Sri Pushkar Singh Dhami. D. Sri Pinarayi Vijayan. Correct answer is Sri Pinarayi Vijayan. Who is the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh State? ए श्री मोहन यादव, बी श्री भजनलाल शर्मा, सी श्री भूपेन्द्र पटेल, डी श्री प्रेम सिंह तमंग गोलाई. Correct answer is Sri Mohan Yadav. Who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra State? A. Sri Eknath Shinde, B. Sri Uddhav Thackeray, C. Sri Sharad Pawar, D. Sri Devendra Fadnavis. Correct answer is Sri Devendra Fadnavis. Who is the Chief Minister of Manipur State? A. Sri Pinarayi Vijayan, B. Dr. Manik Saha, C. Sri N. Biren Singh, D. Sri N. Rangaswamy. Correct answer is Sri N. Biren Singh. Sri Konrad Kongkal Sangma is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Odisha, B. Meghalaya, C. Nagaland, D. Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is Meghalaya. Sri P.U. Lal Duhoma is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Mizoram, B. Meghalaya, C. Sikkim, D. Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is Mizoram. Sri Nephew Rio is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Tripura, B. Meghalaya, C. Sikkim, D. Nagaland. Correct answer is Nagaland. Sri Mohan Charan Manjhi is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Telangana, B. Odisha, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is Odisha. Sri N. Rangaswamy is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Telangana, B. Puducherry UT, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is Puducherry UT. Sri Bhagwat Singh Mann is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Punjab, C. Rajasthan, D. Haryana. Correct answer is Punjab. Sri Bhajanlal Sharma is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Gujarat, B. Bihar, C. Rajasthan, D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is Rajasthan. Sri Prem Singh Tamang Golai is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Nagaland, B. Bihar, C. Sikkim, D. Mizoram. Correct answer is Sikkim. Sri M. K. Stalin is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Karnataka, C. Kerala, D. Telangana. Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Sri A. Revanth Reddy is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Maharashtra, B. Karnataka, C. Odisha, D. Telangana. Correct answer is Telangana. Dr. Manik Saha is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Nagaland, B. Manipur, C. Meghalaya, D. Tripura. Correct answer is Tripura. Sri Yogi Adityanath is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Gujarat, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Sri Pushkar Singh Dhami is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is Uttarakhand. Kumari Mamta Banerjee is the Chief Minister of which state? A. Bihar, B. West Bengal, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Sikkim. Correct answer is West Bengal. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.